You shut it all the way? Open the door, Mia. You gotta open it a little bit more, babe. Oh, there you go. There you go, Mia. Open it. What's he doing? Shut the door. Go open it back up. Don't shut the door on Daddy. That's not very nice. What's he doing? What's your daddy doing? Open the door. Whoa, be careful, suitcase. Hey, Mia. God, leave him alone. Get him. Where'd he go? Get him. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Go find him. Where'd he go? You gonna leave? Where you going? Where's he at? Mia, he's over here. Come back. Come back. Mia. Come back. Go get your daddy. Where'd he go? Who is that? Where'd he go? Get him, Mia. Go in there. Who's in there? Go in there. Who's there? Where did it go? Go look. Go find him. Where is he? Go over there. Where'd he go? No, go look over there. Look over there. Over there. Go get him. He's in there. Where'd Daddy go? Go find him. Where'd Daddy go? Did he go in the window? Go check it. Go check it out. Where'd he go? What is that? Is it a monster?
Oh, you were a little scared there for a minute.